weakening dollar. The middle term, the medium term picture is of a market that wanted to go weaker against the euro and was breaking out of this trading range. Now it's fallen back within it. The strengthening of the dollar has brought it back within the trading range, as you can see quite sharply here. The same has happened in the dollar sterling. The sterling has the sterling has weakened against the dollar. In any event, the market was struggling to get higher. Sterling was struggling to get higher through this band. Within this rising triangle, possible wedge, you can see sterling's fallen and fallen again here, so that the bulls for sterling were hoping for a break above 137.88. Hasn't happened. It's drifted back. The dollar yen's interesting because the yen is in any event setting itself up, we think, chart-wise, for further weakening. There's the breakthrough from the 147 prior high, the creation of a triangle, a continuation triangle, which has completed. See it more clearly here, this triangle here, driving the yen lower, the dollar stronger. It had disappointed the dollar bulls, yen bears, because it hadn't we hadn't broken above 158.87. The drift back, now there's been a bounce, obviously, as the dollar gets weaker, but we think this dollar strengthening is in any event in line with this head and shoulders continuation pattern, this triangle, all pushing it better. So we think it's in line with pre-existing trends, and therefore we're excited by the yen, selling the yen. And here we see very short term in the daily chart, that's completed. So we think this is quite interesting. And so alone of the currencies, we like the yen, i.e. selling the yen and buying the dollar. Stocks, well, they've all fallen back quite sharply, but not so sharply that they've prejudiced their bull runs, really. That's the broad point. Here's the exception to the bullishness was the S&P, which has been going sideways since October. So we've drifted off there. We've moved sharply to the middle of the trading range. The Euro stocks and the FTSE and the Nikkei were all bullish, having broken above their prior highs here, and quite well structured thing. You'll see that the markets drop back sharply in the medium term chart, but not breaking the medium term support. It has disappointed the bulls who were bullish with Euro stocks, as we were, thinking this was a completed continuation triangle, and it's pulled it back within the triangle. So short term, there's uncertainties, stand back short term. There's no clear threat